Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a unbagging for you. So this comes to me from Paintsomeway, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me for review and to share it with all of you. And I will definitely leave the links to everything in my description box if it is still available. And also, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. And also, please make sure you hit that like button. That way you know when I have a video come up. And also, make sure you leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them. I always get back to you with another comment back to you. And also, do not forget, I do have another YouTube channel called Scarlet's True Reviews, and I will always leave the link to that YouTube channel in the description box as well. So let's get into this. And like I said, this comes to me from Paintsomeway. So got a piece of plastic. Okay, so this is a thing of cards that I got. I was going to get Christmas cards, but I didn't really know how long it would take for these to get to me, and then I didn't want to be stuck with a bunch of Christmas cards after the fact. So if I had known that they were going to come this quick, I would have gotten Christmas cards, but I just went ahead and got everyday cards. So this comes with a standard toolkit. They just added some baggies, but you get a single placer pen, a thing of wax, and a green boat. This is called 8-piece DIY greeting cards, and they were $9.99. So you can see the drills are round, and look at how bright and pretty they are. Those purples and the blues and the greens, the yellows and the pink. There's different shades of yellow. Well, there's different shades of pink and purple. Very nice drills. Comes with the big fat envelopes. So you get one for every card. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So all the envelopes are there. So here's the cards. So I thought these were really cute, and I thought they could be, you know, just any time of the year kind of cards. So this one says love, and you can see it's got some roses on the front, and then it's got some roses on the back, which this we do not do, but we do that. And they are blank on the inside, and it is creased right here in the middle. Don't know if y'all can see that, if my light will pick that up, but they're creased to where you can bend them once you get it done, and you've got your card. So very sticky. It's very sticky. But I thought this one was cute. So there's that one. And then we have this one, which is a jar with some flowers in it. It looks like some macaroons down there. Well, there's the picture of it right there, of what it's going to look like. I thought that was cute. And then here is a vase with some flowers. Look like dogwoods. Look like dogwood flowers. So these are going to have special shapes on them. And then we have another vase with some pink roses. And there's the picture of it. And then we have this big red rose. I guess you could use these for Valentine's Day if you wanted to. Mother's Day. you know, really any time. That's why I got them. And then here's a vase of sunflowers. And then we've got a vase of pansies. Very pretty. And then we have this, well, nope, it's not even in a vase. It's just a bundle of flowers. But the colors are so pretty. So yeah, this was not bad. So these were, what did I say? $9.99 for these, for 8. So that's not bad. So there's those. And then the last thing that I got was they call it a pencil box. I tell you what I use this for. I have one other that I got a long time ago. And what I do with mine is on the inside, I have got all of my multi-placers that I like, the thin white ones. I have all of those in there, and then on this side I have metal placers that I have. But as you can see, it's got a lot of different shapes. There's a piece of plastic on here that you're going to peel. It's very sticky. Now this is all one piece of plastic, but this is a door and this is a door. So when you open this, for the first time anyway, you probably want to open them both. So inside is your toolkit, which is just your standard toolkit. And if I can get these out, your drills. So the one that this box is clear. It's a clear white box. The others are like, they've got blue ones, yellow, green. But I've got a blue one already. So I went ahead and got this one. So they do need to put separate piece of plastic on there. So let's look at these drills. So this, like I said, is considered a pencil box. And it was $5.99. These are pretty. Alright, so looks like we have got 12 gems or crystals. We've got red. We've got a very light pink. We've got clear. Actually looks kind of blue, but they're clear. Then here's some blue. And then we've got yellow. And then we've got this starburst looking one. Then we have, and this one's white or silver. And then this one's pink, but it's also a starburst. And then we got these big white, or bleh, these big pale blue iridescent half pearls. And these are the multicolored gems. And then we've got these darker green multicolored. And then we've got the orange iridescent teardrops. And then we've got these great big blue iridescent teardrops. Very pretty. This is going to be a pretty box. So this is not bad. And you can use this for anything. It does not have to be, you know, for pencils or pens. Like I said, I myself have my multi-placers, my plastic thin white multi-placers in the other one that I have, and then I have metal ones. But the reason I got a second one is because I've accumulated so many metal multi-placers that I need a large space to put them in, because I've got twist ends and I've got push ends, and I'm tired of digging through them. Plus, like I said, I've got so many that I can't get them all in here anyway. So I just want to keep them all together So I thought, well, I'll get another pencil box, and I'll put my metal ones in one, leave the white ones in the other, and you can put wax in there, or, you know, whatever you want to put in there. So that's not bad. $5.99 for this, and for the 8 greeting cards that you can put anything you want inside these. You can decorate them. If you also like doing paper crafts, yeah, and then you can take and send these throughout the whole year. It doesn't have to be dedicated to any season. You can do this throughout the whole year. And like I said, that was $9.99 for 8. And they're just really, really pretty. There's at least 24 colors. Nope, 25, 26. Oh, well, there's 28. At least 28 bags of drills in that. So, this is what I got from Paintsomeway. And again, I want to say thank you to them for sending them to me. And I will put these in my description box, a link to them, if they're still available. So, what do y'all think? Has anybody ever gotten the greeting cards and done the greeting cards? This is the first time I've ever gotten them. But I think it's pretty cool. I think they're really neat and well worth, you know, $9.99. So, alright, y'all. So, this is the end of my video for Paintsomeway. And y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And until my next video, I hope you're all well. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.